Hearing in noise remains the biggest challenge for hearing aid wearers. Especially noisy social situations are very challenging. Let's travel together to a cafeteria, for a business meeting, or to a gathering with friends. You are talking with multiple conversation partners around you, and of course, there are competing surrounding noises. Let's hear the following sound demonstrations recorded with real hearing aids. You are located here, and you have a pair of hearing aids. One in your left ear, here, and the second one in your right ear, here.
Traditional hearing aids process sound as one input and one output.
This way of sound processing is limited, especially in noisy social situations.
Traditional hearing aids process sound as one input and one output.
This way of sound processing is limited, especially in noisy social situations.
G8 hearing aids feature the revolutionary multi-track processing, up to 5 independent audio tracks.
4 of the tracks specialize for conversation with multiple speakers at once.
And one track maintaining environmental awareness.
G8 hearing aids feature the revolutionary multi-track processing with up to 5 independent audio tracks.
4 of the tracks specialize for conversation with multiple speakers at once.
And one track maintaining environmental awareness.
Each track is processed separately to ensure the best balance, even when conversation partners move.
All new conversation partners join.
Each track is processed separately to ensure the best balance, even when conversation partners move.
All new conversation partners join.
Following a conversation in a noisy situation is now easier with G8 technology. Multi-track processing delivers our best sound experience ever in challenging and demanding listening situations.